Okay, sometimes you get asked to find the concentration of an ion in solution. This is particularly useful when you're doing an advanced chemistry lesson and you're trying to figure out whether or not a precipitate is going to form when you mix two solutions. But in introductory chemistry, it's often a standalone problem. What's the molarity of the chloride ion in a barium chloride solution? Or what's the molarity of the calcium ion in a calcium chloride solution? Remember that molarity is mole solute per liter solution, and the key to understanding this kind of problem is that remembering that when you dissolve an ionic compound, you have dissociation. So this means that when you dissolve an ionic compound that's soluble, it separates into its individual ions. And so when I dissolve 1 mole of calcium nitrate, I get 1 mole of calcium ions and 2 moles of nitrate ions. And that mole ratio is key, especially if I get asked the concentration of the nitrate ions. The concentration of the calcium ions is the same as the concentration of the calcium nitrate because it's a 1-to-1 mole ratio. But the concentration of the nitrate ions is going to be double. You get 2 moles of nitrate ions for every mole of calcium nitrate. So this is what a problem will look like. What's the molarity of nitrate ions in a solution containing 1.55 grams of calcium nitrate in 65 mils of solution? So I need to remember that calcium nitrate is going to dissociate. So here's my dissolving process for calcium nitrate. 2 solid forms a calcium ion and 2 nitrate ions. And so I need to find the moles of nitrate, and I need to divide that by the liters of solution, which is going to be 0.065 liters. Divide by 1,000. So in order to find the moles of nitrate, I just need to convert grams of calcium nitrate to moles, and then I need to use this mole ratio of 2-to-1 here. So 1.55 grams of calcium nitrate, 1 mole of calcium nitrate is 164.10 grams. And then I'm going to use this mole ratio for the dissociation process. I get 2 moles of nitrate for every 1 mole of calcium nitrate. And that's going to equal 0.0189 moles of nitrate ions. And then in order to find the concentration of the nitrate ions, and usually we represent molar concentration in square brackets, is 0.0189 moles NO3 minus per 0.0650 liters of solution, and that's going to equal 0.291 molar nitrate ions. If I were asked what's the molarity of the calcium ions, I would just skip this step, and this step would be 1 mole of Ca2 plus per 1 mole of calcium nitrate. And so this would be a 1-to-1 mole ratio, but I decided to show you what would happen if the mole ratio is not 1-to-1. All right, hope that helps.